This is my table before recording. So today I just want to quickly organize it and make it look nice. So you can see all my nail polishes stacked here. Before we start cleaning up, I got these two things from workspace. They are stickable trays. Bright color orange so that I can put some things. I like the height. I like the fact that in here I can put things in it, and then let's just place them. I'm thinking of using this trusted Handy Andy, and lavender never hurts. So let's start. I use Mr. Muscle Multi-Surface Cleaner. I'm thinking of keeping the plastic. I got them from Pep. I'm just gonna put them here. I don't know, should I move them up like this? Okay, for now we're gonna keep them here. With this tool, this is to stash all my products. These are all my gel products for now. These are all my tips, swatch sticks, and nail art. I want to sort out my nail art. Ooh, I can actually place my nail art here. Like here, like there at the far back. Hello, place my nail art there. That is so dope. These are all the nail arts I want to unbox. These are the picture frames. I decided to keep the plastic so that my gel stains doesn't stain my art. So I'm gonna keep the plastic wrap there for when I'm recording, but I don't like this. Maybe I can cut it out and still keep the plastic bag wrapped around it. This is my lamp, Gelex UV lamp. These are the nail charms. I'm still gonna add more. There's still room for more. For those that are in there, we're gonna try place them there. This is a tray of all my brushes. I'm still gonna add more brushes and remove markers, ball pens when I need to write notes. And then over here it's just flowers. In here it's a container filled of nail nails that I've done, you know, your gel X nails. I've placed them in here. In here, it's just money. After a long day of working, I'm gonna place my money in here so that the salt can cleanse it and I can pray over it. Yeah, I don't know if other people do that. Yeah, so this is how I'm gonna place it. Yeah, I'm so proud. Oh, child, let's do this tour. I'm so proud. I'm happy. This is how it's gonna look from this angle, and then this is how everything's gonna look from that angle.